How to use the Aldi gift card on Instacart. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Aldi gift card on Instacart. Now, Aldi gift card cannot be used for online Instacart order as Instacart acts as a third party and Aldi requires a physical gift card or e-gift card present or presented to a cashier. So what you need is basically what you could do is here. If you want to use the Aldi gift card, Instacart, while Aldi gift cards are not acceptable, so you can just go ahead and follow the payment method for the Instacart. So the major credit card or debit card accepted are US Mastercard, Visa, Discover, American Express as well. Only gift card issued by Instacart can be used on a platform and eligible for EBT Snap eligible item as well, and mobile wallets such as PayPal and Venmo are acceptable. So here, if you go ahead and launch open the more tab, there you have accounts at the very top right. And underneath, you could find a payment method. You could simply go to this section and see that these options are available, but no such gift card will be acceptable. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.